exhaust air brake system. So this is the engine 100cc 4-stroke petrol engine 0 Honda CD100. Then here two chain and sprocket 1:3 ratio. Chain and sprocket 0 Honda chain and sprocket. Shaft 15 mm diameter shaft. Bearing, two bearing 6202 ball bearing. This is scooty wheel with the drum brake system. This is a pneumatic braking system. So this is the flow control valve. This is a 3x2 solenoid valve. One inlet, one outlet, one exhaust. This is pneumatic single active cylinder. Outer diameter 30 mm, inner diameter 25. Stroke length 60 mm. Piston shaft diameter 8 mm. Then this is the turbine system. So whenever it is coming to the exhaust, so this is the time the turbine will be rotating. From the exhaust gas, the turbine will be rotating like that way. This is the turbine is coupled to the DC generator. PM DC generator, 12 volt, 40 watts, 300 RPM, permanent mega DC generator. The DC generator voltage is going to store in a battery. Now this is the battery, 12 volt, 7 AH, lead acid rechargeable battery. Then here too, one DC compressor. So that's a DC compressor, 12 volt, reciprocating compressor. Here is having that specification and all. So this is a 150 watts DC generator, 12 volt. From that, here to going to the air tank. So here, this is the NRV, non-return valve. This is the pressure gauge. That's the gate valve. So this is the air tank maximum pressure of 6 bar, but here you cannot obtain that pressure. It will be approximately 3 to 2 to 3 bar is going out. Then this is from after that you will open the gate valve going to the braking system. Whenever you press the button, so this is the brake switch. Whenever pressing the button, that time the valve is on, air is coming here, the brake will be applying. So this is the concept of the project. Now we go to, this is the spirit control system. So whenever you go to activate this one, so that time the ratchet ball mechanism. This is the ratchet ball mechanism, so automatically locking that constant speed. So after if you have any emergency condition, you have to apply the clutch or brake. So that time the ratchet is coming to original position. The spring is there. So this is the constant speed obtaining by the ratchet ball mechanism. Then here this is the spark plug ignition coil. So you have to connect to here. Then you have to open the petrol tank, 2 liter nylon tank. You have to open the petrol. Then you have to start the engine. Slow speed, high speed. After charging the battery, you have to switch on the fan and after charging the battery, you have to switch on the compressor. Now air is going to the air tank. So you have to switch on that 10-15 minutes. The air tank will be storing the air. Wait for 10-15 minutes.
On பண்ணுங்க. காத்தி இரு.
Now actually here showing the 3 bar pressure actually, but this is a big tank, so here not coming little bit here only, but in that time here the brake is applying. This is the brake, the cylinder will be applying the brake. Whenever pressing time, the cylinder will apply the brake. So you go to here, you go to connect like that only, because when you are not getting any clutch here, not connected. So you go to neutral time only, you go to brake is applied, because here you go to otherwise you go to apply, and the neutral apply பண்ணிக்கலாம். பாஸ் பண்ணி ஆன் பண்ணி So here this is the clutch, you go to apply fully clutch, then you go to pressing time, the engine will be, brake is applying. Without clutch not possible to stop the engine. So here actually we are connecting the clutch coil here, so that's why you go to clutch manually, you go to connect the clutch here. For demo purpose you go to apply the clutch here, then you go to press the button, the time brake will be applied. So this is the exhaust air brake system. The exhaust gas is used to rotate the turbine. The turbine is charged by the battery to DC compressor to air tank. That air tank is used to brake the system. That's why this is called exhaust air braking system. This is the ratchet ball mechanism for cruise control, constant speed cruise control system. This is the ratchet ball mechanism. This is spring. This is the clutch one. So this is the concept.